It's I found this wee spot here, just purely by accident really, and it's a nice wee place if you're into kind of come here for a wee barbecue, peace and quiet, away from traffic, listening to nature, and a bit of hammering from the farm there. But it is very peaceful here. There's a spot for barbecuing, do a bit of fishing. Don't actually know if you can swim in it. Water looks a bit green, but certainly it's nice. Give a wee look around there. Just about down there, it's a barbecue seating area. See people fishing down there already.
Let your spirit go free. There's a timeless place somewhere you will be waiting for me. I love you still. I miss the twinkle in your eye, the love you shared with me. Your hand in mine along the sand, our favorite place to be. Told someone the other day, I've lost my rock and strength. Wiped out tender moments tear, I missed my closest friend. I think back to the day we met, when first I saw your face, then forward to that.
It's really quite a nice place. I just walked up there. There's a couple of horse keepers there. I don't think it's a equestrian. Is it equestrian? But yeah. I suppose if you went up and just walked up to look at the horses that are about, you wouldn't mind. I've taken a couple of photographs, you can see on my Instagram, near the side there, see that? So yeah, it's quite nice. Just too perfect a day for taking photographs, too bright. Did my best. Just going to fly my drone now, if I can make it down without hurting myself.
Let your spirit go free. There's a timeless place somewhere you will be waiting for me. I love you still. As we drift away, my heart will follow to show my love is true. When a moment comes, I will call your name. Place your hand in mine till the end of time. Rest now, my love. Let your spirit go free. There's a timeless place somewhere you will be waiting for me. I love you still.
hear that? That, my friend, is a windmill. This road to get here is on the way towards Morelos. I won't even attempt to pronounce the location, so I'll just highlight at the bottom here, and it's really gives you a bird's eye view from the top to countryside. Just watch this, just look at this. Isn't that amazing? So, up in this viewpoint is also someone's built a swing. Apparently, as well as that, it's a good time to come up here is during the evening sunset. Apparently it gives a fantastic view, but I don't have that much time to do that for nighttime viewing, so you need to believe me and come up and try it yourself. Now, I came up on the east side of the windmill, and there's a service road, and then there's a big sign that says you know, it's depicted by a camera, so just to show you where to go kind of thing. So just take it easy after the main road. The service road is quite rocky, so drive carefully, and here we are now.